Look at that. One thing about me, I'm gonna make something work if I need it to work. I'm sure there's gonna be dupes coming out soon. What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha. Welcome back. It's been a while, but let's get right into it. Today we're gonna be revealing the Ube collection. As you can see, it's sitting pretty on my skin. But I want to show you a couple of things to make it work when it comes to the lip gloss and the blush. So if you want to see how this video goes, please carry on watching. So this is the blush that we're going to try out, and she did say that it is for medium to tan skin, and we're obviously dark skinned, but we're gonna make it work. But I'm gonna show you how it looks on its own. So lightweight, melts on skin, soft focus, buildable, and blendable. We all know Huda Beauty's products are buildable and blendable. In this gorgeous lilac color, and it's got a gorgeous little spoolie, which is so unique. It's like a little bubble. I call it spoolie, but it's just wand. So this side, I'm just going to show you how it looks on its own, and I'm going to put it at the high points of my cheeks. I don't want to put too much because it is really pigmented. I have tried it before. Blending it like so. As you can see, it is super light, but it's not crazy when you blend it in, but it is a little ashy. And obviously you can't go anywhere with a blush like this as a woman of color who's dark skinned. So this is how we can make it work for our skin tone. And I'm gonna do the same on this side with a darker pink. This is the Lumi blush from L'Oreal, and it's a liquid blush. It's absolutely gorgeous. I could use this, or I could use the Morphe. It's called Get Heated, and they're pretty much similar color. I'm gonna go under there like so. So I'm still just leaving that like this anyway, and then we're gonna blend it the same way we blended that, but this time we're mixing it together so that it's not insane. Plus the L'Oreal blush is actually, it's got highlighter in it, so you can see that that cocktail of blush actually make it more stand out than this side, because it is made for tanned skin, not dark skin, so we have to make it work for ourselves. This side I'm gonna go in with the Morphe blush so you can just see and just edit on the side, so then it's like a cocktail of blush. And then I'm just gonna go on my nose as well. See how that actually works. Obviously you can skip buying the blush if you don't want to in all, but I really wanted to make it work for me. There's a lot of blushes that are pink that work for women of color. You don't have to buy if you don't want to. Moving on to the fun parts, reviewing the Ube birthday cake easy bake, which looks like this. She's changed the packaging. There we go. And this one is a lilac powder. You know, when she was advertising it, I was like, girl, what you trying to do? So I love cherry blossom, so I was really excited because I was like, okay, let's see what you got. I still like the old packaging. I'm guessing it's just me. I don't know. I just think it's yeah, but obviously I'll get used to it. This is more like plasticky. Obviously they're both plastic. So this is the Ube birthday cake easy bake. Obviously that's how it looks on my skin tone, and this is the cherry blossom. Obviously the cherry blossom is a little bit lighter than the Ube, but they're not so different. I'm definitely going to do a short video of comparing them both so you guys can see. What I don't like is how this looks like, because then the powder is getting stuck. But then with the old one, I can really just go in and just put all my powder in there. Add like this, and you're just gonna get the excess off. You must get rid of any excess. Look at that. It's not scary, like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? But I think if you're like more fairer skin toned, it is a little bit scary because cherry blossom is so much lighter. But this is how it's blending in. Can you see how that just melts in your skin? Yeah, very blurring. Huda Beauty's powders, setting powders are so blurring. And can you see the difference? gorgeous. You know me, you know I like to go with my powders everywhere. It does not matter if it's yellow, orange, pink. I'm going with my powders everywhere. So let's do this side. So this is just to show you that you can wear this if you are darker skin tone. This is how it looks. It's setting. I am baking low key. It is pretty bright. The final Ube collection, which is the 4 filler lip one. This one is called Ooh Baby, like a lilac pink or baby pink, but lighter. I don't know what kind of color this. Let me just swatch it on my hand so you guys can see what it looks like on my skin tone. And it's gorgeous. Can't just put this on its own. You can if you want to, but we're gonna try and make a little lip combo. Deepest Mauve from Makeup Revolution, and it's more like a berry color. So I don't want to put it on its own because it is a bit light and it makes my lips look a little ashy. So I'm going to use the Plump Ambition hyaluronic acid just to balance it together, because it is like a really pale pink color. And I'm just going to go around that lip liner like this. And this is a plumping lip gloss, new edition from L'Oreal, and just blend that together. This is how I make it work for my darker skin tone. Now I'm just focusing on applying it in the middle, and then you got a little cute lip combo. Absolutely gorgeous. Make that work. We make that work. Final look, all done using the Ube birthday collection makeup from Huda Beauty that recently just came out. And obviously, like I said, this was meant for tanned, medium skin tones. One thing about me, I'm gonna make something work if I need it to work. I'm sure there's gonna be dupes coming out soon. Most thing I was excited about was the powder, but I fairly still enjoyed using these as well. I don't think I'll be using them as much though. I like how Huda Beauty specifically said this is not for all skin types. So if you was getting it, you're getting it at your own risks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you've tried it, if it's working for you. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.